Hello student, good morning and welcome to SSC class. This is class 5th, chapter number 8 and topic respecting regional differences. For the student of class 5th, this is SST, we'll discuss chapter number 8. Look, in Bhagpur township of Punjab, people belonging to different castes, religions live in harmony. So this is the township of Bhagalpur of Punjab. People belonging to different castes, religions live in harmony. There are no sign of any discrimination among different countries. Discrimination means bhedbhav. Discrimination among different communities. They speak different languages, just like Punjabi, Hindi, Urdu, Bhojpuri. Okay, they speak different languages like Punjabi, Hindi, Urdu, Bhojpuri, etc. They celebrate many festivals together like Deepavali, Holi, Eid, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Mahavir Jayanti. These are the festivals celebrated by the people of Bhagpur township of Punjab. With together, they live in harmony and peacefully. They are respecting to each other, their culture, their festive tradition, all the thing, costumes, and this is the beauty of the nation, and this is the beauty of our India. So we love this beauty. We love the peaceful and harmony society. The people wear different type of dresses. People wear means they were wearing or they are wearing different types of dresses. The women wear salwars, kameez, sarees, lehenga choli. The men wear kurta, pajama, tehmad means lungi, kameez, salwar, kameez, or pant shirt. These are the dresses the people wear dressing. Uh, or now also we are practicing the same thing. This is we are dressing, or we are just practicing this thing. We are wearing these things. Where means the people of the Bhagpur Punjab, they are wearing this type of dresses. Most people here are vegetarians, but they respect those who enjoy non-vegetarian food. Yes, most of the people of Bhagpur township, they are vegetarians. They're not taking non-veg food item, but they are respecting means vegetarians food habited people are respecting the non-vegetarian food habited people, not non-vegetarian food habited. This is the beauty, and this is the goodness of the people of the Punjab, or the Bhagpur township of Punjab. And we are taking as the example of this okay era or the situation in this topic. India is a vast country. Yes, India is a vast country. People living in different region of our country have different food habit, different dresses, different language, different religion, customs, and tradition. So we have different language, dresses, uh, food habits, religion, custom, tradition, and we are believe unity in diversity. Unity in diversity. We have differences, but we love to each other. We respect to each other. This is the beauty of the nation. The food habit of the people of religion depend upon the location. Yes, the food habit of the religion depend upon the food habit of the people of the region depend upon the its location. How is location? It is its climate and its crop grown. For example, rice is cultivated widely in South India. Rice is cultivated widely in South India, and hence rice is the staple diet of the people of there, means South India. They cook amazing variety of rice dishes we are testing the variety of menus item of the South Indian food, then we are feeling so good and tasty. We are taking tasty foods, and they're making all okay greatly the variety of dishes, and they're very tasteful. Basically, they are making the spicy food, spices food good. That is their style. Okay, one of the, for example, sambar and idli like this. They are okay preparing the dishes. Almonds grow in the Kashmir, therefore form an important ingredient of many Kashmiri dishes. So almond is growing in Kashmir, and therefore form an important ingredient of many Kashmiri dishes are there. The understanding and respect for the food habit, language, culture, faith, uh, and beliefs other have made Indian culture rich and unique. So this is the Indian culture rich and unique because we have different food habit, different languages, different faith, different belief, different costume and tradition, different costume or tradition. So we are saying that this is the Indian culture is rich and unique. In this chapter, we will explore Andaman Nicobar Islands, and Rajasthan to highlight the great diversity in Indian culture. So we'll take the these two things, Andaman Nicobar Island and Rajasthan, as the highlight of the great diversity in Indian culture. How it is, we'll discuss. So look student, this is Andaman and Nicobar Island. This is okay. So Andaman and Nicobar is a group of 570 island. Andaman Nicobar Island is the group of 572 island. 572 island in the Bay of Bengal. In the Bay of Bengal, but only 38 island are the inhabited. Mainly six group of tribes. Mainly six group of tribes. They are namely the Great Andamanese, the Jarawas, the Sentinelese, okay, the Sentinelese, the Onges, the Nicobarese, and the last the Sumpens. These are the six group of tribes live in 38 island of Andaman among 572 islands. Even today, they maintain their costume, tradition, and live in harmony with nature. Even today, they are very much richly they are living in harmony with nature. They're maintaining their costume and tradition. They're maintaining their costume and tradition. Okay, this is the uniqueness of the Andaman Nicobarese tribes. And look, this is the map of Andaman and Nicobar. The first one, this is North Andaman, this point. Then under this Middle Andaman, and under this Lower Andaman. Under this, this is the Port Blair. Port Blair is the capital city of the Andaman Nicobar. Then this is Little Andaman, and all total this is the Andaman Nicobar. And Andaman Nicobar is located in the Bay of Bengal. And look, this is the Car Nicobar. This is Nicobar Island. Car Nicobar in top. Car Nicobar. Car Nicobar. Under this point is Tarasa. Then Bum Pakka. Then Nankaveri. Then Kachol. Kachol. This is Little Nicobar and Great Nicobar. This is the map of the Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar. And look here, art and architecture. In olden time, the islanders lived in caves, trees, house, thatched, and hut. Yes, the people of ancient, they were living in caves. They were making the home at trees, sorry, on trees. Okay, so we are saying that the tree houses and the thatch hut, they are making and living. Some buildings were made on the island during the British rule. The cellular jail is the one of the great example of the uh, architect of the architect of British architecture. And the cellular jail is the most well-known building, as many freedom fighter were jailed. Many freedom fighter, you just see during the struggle of freedom struggle at that time, many freedom fighters will suffer. They suffer. They were jailed by the British or in cellular jail. And cellular jail is we are broadly saying that is the Kalapani jail. Okay. And they were jailed in Kalapani or the cellular jail. The popular craft of Andaman and Nicobar Island are the palm mats, wooden shows, pieces, cane, bamboo, wall hangings. These are the popular craft of Andaman Nicobar Islands. Okay, palm mats, wooden show, piece of cane, and the bamboo wall hanging is the famous craft of the Andaman. Okay, so this is, look, this one is the Andaman cellular jail, and okay, looking so beauty. And this is Marina Park of Port Blair. Okay, Marina Park of Port Blair. Then food habits. In earlier time, all tribes of these islands were hunter. Hence, there was no particular form of cuisine. Okay, cuisines. But now seafood is quite popular here, like fish, prawn, crabs, lobsters, etc. The increasing touch of the islands. You just see, look and think, the people who are living in island means they are near the within the island and within the sea or ocean. It means they definitely get the food, they definitely get the seafood, and seafood is quite popular there, because they are producing food, fish, they are producing prawns, all the things. So seafood basically, like fish, prawn, crab, lobster, etc. is popular. Definitely these are the things will popular. This food will popular in that area. The increasing touch of the island, the rest of the India has popularized a great variety of food item here. So these are the food item increasing down day to day, and this is famous in all over the India, with a great variety of food item here. You can easily find North Indian and Bengali cuisine. Cuisine means dishes. Cuisine means dishes. Easily you will find Bengalis are there famous machli bhat. Okay, chawal means that is rice and fishes, rice and fish. They are heavy, good. So in North India, India and Bengal, Indian and Bengali, the cuisine dishes have dishes here. South Indian food is quite common here. Rice is the staple diet of the islander. Okay, rice is the staple diet of the islander. The main crop grown here: pulses, oilseed, vegetable, coconut, areca nut, mango, sapta, sapota, orange, banana, papaya, pineapple, pineapple, uh, cashew. Okay, these are the crops grown in island. Spices are spices also grown here, like black pepper, clove, nutmeg, sorry, cinnamon form important ingredient of the food of this of the island. These are the some of the food grown in island and famous these things. Okay, so for today this is too much, and next video I'll make you, okay, from dresses, the explanation video, because if I'll, okay, cover this one, then the video will so long, and then this is difficult to for you. So uh, short video I'll make you. So this is for today. Thank you so much.